Alright, well here is the carrier at night. This time I did the fan startup like on top of the units because it doesn't need to have a tripod every time, and plus I just got back and wanted to do it right away. Here's this thing right. So yeah, I just turned this thing on. It's running right now in cool mode. It looks like the daytime. There it is. And yep. That was a quick little nighttime startup. I'll probably do another one tomorrow. But yeah. This is the one for tonight, so yeah. We'll do the shutdown here, because why not? But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out. Let's do the shutdown now.